Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Let's get into the video. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to the video. And this is gonna be a makeup look on this look. May not look perfect, but yeah. Gonna call this autumn / fall look. Everyone's wanted me to do a makeup tutorial, so yeah, comment down below if you want me to do more of these. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've put my concealer on the camera top, so I need to redo it. So I've just put it on before clip, but I needed to delete it, so sorry about that, but you can't really realise the difference, I don't think. But now I do eyeshadow, and the colours I'm doing is that one and that one, and yeah, so and that one down there. So we're gonna do that one first with that tip. So you just get a tiny bit. I know it doesn't look like a tiny bit, but yeah. Rub it on your top eyelid. So on that bit. You can make this as dark as you want, but it depends on how much you put after. Like I said, I'm not the best, but we're getting there. Okay, now after you've done that, it's not the best. There's some marks, but we will blend it in. After you've done that, you can leave it as that and just blend it with that colour there. Or you can get that colour and just tap a bit and then put it over the eyelid. It just makes it a little bit more glittery. Oh, it makes it darker as well. So you do that. Everybody gonna comment like, you're not a beauty YouTuber or something. You can't do makeup or something. I'm just like, I know. I've only just started doing makeup because I have dry skin, so I didn't used to be able to do it. And yeah, now I can. So now that you've done that, again, it's not the best, but we're not doing the blending yet. So onto the blending, you get a thicker brush. I did have a other one that was really good, but I don't know where I put it. Yeah, it's not in there, so I don't know where it's gone. But then you get that colour, You just put as much as you want, and then you go on the top bit there, and you just blend it. Do as much blending as you want. It's your makeup look, but yeah. And yeah. And then if that's you done, that's that's part of the look. I need to rub that bit away. Yeah, that's the look on your eyes. But if you want more shimmer, you wipe this. So I just wipe it on a face wipe. So it's like, and then I don't like dry it on my hand because yeah. And then I got that colour, so as you can see it's more shimmery than that one. So I get a bit of that colour and then just put it, do the beauty cure thing, just put it in the corners of your eyes. Just a little bit, so it gives a bit of highlight. Again, you can put on as much as you want, but yeah, then that bit's done. And then you get whatever concealer you want. I've got this one, Super Size Fat Lash Mascara from Collection. You can get that at Superdrug. And again, I used that palette, what's from Superdrug. And that was from Boots. It's the Natural Collection. Because with my skin I need to be careful because my dry skin. So I need to be careful what I use. But yeah. So then you put your mascara on. And normally I put it on the top bit and a bit on the bottom. Just to make it a bit fuller because I like big lashes. I don't know why, I've just always liked. And of course I've got some on my hair. But yeah. So now you've got the mascara on. You can tell a bit of a difference. And then if you want, I rarely do this, but got this blusher from Superdrug again. And then get your blusher brush. I use this as my blusher brush. I don't know why, it's just like, and then just make it a bit more redder than it was. I don't really need to put a lot on because I think I've got like redder cheeks than it is, and I need to blend a bit. Then blending skills will come in at one point. So yeah. So you put the blusher on. See, it's just like natural. Probably not the best, but yeah. And then if you want, you can put a highlight on. And that one's from Superdrug. again. And then I use this brush. By the way, I think I got this, I don't know where my boyfriend got me these. I got like a pack of them, so I don't know where he got them. But yeah, but I got this from Superdrug again. And I just got it out. And just put a little bit on, not too much, but just a little bit that you're showing. And then I do the typical nose. And yeah, whoa, that's popping. Like I said, I'm not the best. For some reason, one side always shows up more. And I'm positive I put the same amount on each side. But yeah, and now I'm gonna use this lipstick, but you can use a brown to narrow, to focus it on the eyes. But I'm gonna use this lipstick, and it's from that brand. And yeah, and I think this was from Superdrug again. So you put Superdrug or Boots. So I don't really put stuff on my lips, like I've got loads of lip, I don't know what they're called, but the pencils you put around your mouth before you put lipstick on. I do normally put it on, but not all the time. So yeah. Again, you can put as much or as little as you want. I don't think people understand how not good I am at makeup, but everybody's asked me to do a makeup tutorial. So yeah, and I think that's the end of the look. So I'll do you can see it here, it's not the best, but yeah, and I'll do a mirror one as well, so let's get into that one. Okay, so this is the look, that's my eyes and my lips. It's not the best, but yeah, I'm trying to do better. But yeah, that's a full look. I can do a going out look, a colourful look, a natural look, and everything like that. But let's get into the outro. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, if you want any more makeup tutorials, comment down below what one. Someone said the colourful one, but I thought to do this one first because it's autumn right now. Well, it's meant to be autumn right now, and slash fall for the American people who are watching, if there is any. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. I might do more makeup tutorials, and press the like button. Comment down below any video ideas, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.